हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। क्या आप एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हो एंड आप टेक्निकल डेमोज बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली देते हो? तो प्लीज़ स्टे ट्यून टू द वीडियो। आज का टॉपिक है 3 टॉप वेज ऑफ गिविंग एन इफेक्टिव टेक्निकल डेमो। सो टेक्निकल डेमो क्या होता है? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट फर्स्ट। Technical demo is a demo which software engineers are giving at the end of the sprint. What is a sprint? Sprint is a period of 2 or 3 weeks. It is a part of agile methodology, but in reality sprint is a period of 2 or 3 weeks in which the developers and the QAs, like the whole team, work together towards a common goal. They achieve the common goal, make the code changes and everything in those 2 and 3 weeks, and at the end of the sprint they give a demo, right? So वो जो demo होता है at the end of these 2 or 3 weeks, it is called a technical demo. ये जो demo दे रहे होते हैं वो software engineers ही होते हैं. So it is one of the important skills that a software engineer should have, which is to explain what changes you've done in last 2 or 3 weeks. Why is it important for a software engineers to be able to explain this? Because software engineers are working on complex things. You should be able to explain the complex ideas in an easier manner, right? और ये स्किल सिर्फ टेक्निकल डेमोज में नहीं तो आपके इंटरव्यूज में भी टेस्ट होता है. तो अगर आपको पता है कि आपके इंटरव्यूज में भी यही स्किल टेस्ट होने वाला है, why not prepare for it when you have a chance in the sprint demos itself? सो टेक्निकल डेमो तो मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. अब हाउ टू गिव टेक्निकल डेमो इन अ बेटर वे, उसके 3 टॉप तरीके देख लेते हैं. सबसे पहला टिप है नो योर ऑडियंस. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नो योर ऑडियंस? जब बिजनेस MBA स्टूडेंट्स एंड ऑल जब कोई प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे होते हैं, we call them business people, right? When business people are giving any presentations, they call this phase as discovery phase, which is also knowing your audience. So क्या होता है knowing your audience? यानी करना क्या है हमें actually? What you have to do is you have to figure out who are these people who are going to join the demos. So whatever demo happens at the end of the sprint is not between just those developers and those QAs, right? More stakeholders are invited from external teams and so on to attend this demo, so that if someone likes whatever the team has built, they can use it, right? So know your audience. Who are these people who are going to join this demo? Are they technical people? So if they're technical people, they'll probably understand code more, right? Are they non-technical people? If not, they'll not understand any code. Please stay away from the code. How many people are going to be there? People who are going to be there, do they have any idea about our existing product on which we have made these code changes? So यही बात है of knowing your audience. This is how you should know your audience. Try and figure them out. How much knowledge do they have of the product, of the company and of everything else? जितना भी possible है, please know your audience. Okay? Point number 2, structure your demo. So what do you mean by structure your demo? So जब भी मैं कोई demo देने जा रही हूँ, I usually structure it in this basic format. Okay? I don't want to complicate the structure of the demo, but आप अपने हिसाब से उसको structure कर सकते हैं. मेरा ये structure है. सबसे पहला पार्ट होता है इंट्रोडक्शन. जस्ट इन 1 or 2 lines you explain what is the code change that you have done, what is the change you have done, not the code change, what is the change that you have done since the last demo. उसके बाद उसके डिटेल्स होते हैं. whenever you are giving the details, you explain those details in the form of a diagram. Diagrams जरूरी हो जाते हैं when you are giving demos. Okay, we will talk in detail in the next point about diagrams, but diagrammatically in the form of pictures, try and explain in detail कि आपने क्या change किया है. उसके बाद वंस यू एक्सप्लेन वट एवर चेंज यू हैव डन, उसके बाद go through whatever change you have done, go through the UI. If there is a UI, show from UI how it is working. If there is an API, use Postman, make the call to the API and show, okay, this is the data. So उसके बाद give the demo, like the actual demo give after that. जब आपका ये demo हो जाएगा, open it for questions to the team. So intro हो गया, detail हो गया, detail के अंदर पहले diagrams हो गए और फिर द एक्चुअल डेमो हो गया. एंड थर्ड पार्ट आफ्टर डिटेल इज समराइज. सो आपने जो जो चीजें एक्सप्लेन की, जस्ट 1 or 2 लाइन्स में इसको समराइज भी करो. तो ये जो आपने एक्सप्लेन किया है, यूजुअली इन डेमोज वी एक्सप्लेन वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स आइडियाज बिकॉज सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स आर वर्किंग ऑन वेरी complex thing, like very complex algorithms. So explaining these complex ideas is difficult, right? So to explain these complex ideas in an easier way, you have to structure your demo in a nice way. So second point is structure. अब जाते हैं थर्ड पॉइंट की तरफ. थर्ड पॉइंट है डायग्राम्स. इसको मैंने स्पेशल पॉइंट बनाया है बिकॉज डायग्राम्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू आर गिविंग अ टेक्निकल डेमो. आई नो डायग्राम्स क्रिएट करने में आपको शायद टाइम जाएगा, बट the time that you're putting in creating the diagrams is really worth. A diagram speaks louder than 100 words that you'll speak. So just create a small diagram. Don't make it shabby. Just use the tool like draw.io or something, but don't keep it shabby. A neat and clean, very small diagram, and use it to explain your ideas. Use as many diagrams as possible whenever you are explaining anything in the demo. Do not show any code. Do not show any README file. Do not show a lot of details in the APIs also. There's no point. So, diagrams. अब ये 3 पॉइंट्स के अलावा एक मैंने प्रो टिप भी ऐड की है. So what is the pro tip? Whenever you are giving a demo, live the moment which you felt when you actually made the change. You felt happy, right? तो वो moment को live करो and explain what you have done in the same way, so that आपका जो explanation है वो monotonous नहीं होगा and it will seem exciting. ओके, सो दैट वाज अ प्रो टिप फ्रॉम माई साइड. ये सिर्फ 3 तरीके मैंने बताया आपको, और भी पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव ऑन योर डेमो. अगर आपको और पॉइंट्स जानने हैं प्लीज मुझे बताइए इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज लेट मी नो इफ दीज 3 पॉइंट्स आर हेल्पिंग यू इन एनी वे. थैंक यू so much for tuning in with me. Bye.